If you don't have signal on your iPhone 17e and it says that you can use your iPhone 17e for SOS only when trying to call, then what you can do is, first of all, you can simply reboot your iPhone. You can, for example, go to the control center or quick settings. Over here in the upper right corner we have the power button. You want to touch and hold it until you feel a little vibration, and then you can lift your finger, and of course you want to slide to power off your iPhone. Afterwards you will have to turn it back on by pressing and holding your finger on the power button, of course, and sometimes a simple reboot of the iPhone works and solves the issue with SOS only. However, if that is not the case, another reason why you might see SOS only is because of server outages or maybe maintenances or some issues with the signal in general. And usually this is of course on the operator's side or the carrier's side, so realistically there's nothing you can do other than just patiently wait until it is resolved. And in the meantime, if you are not sure if that is truly the case, you can, for example, check your other devices. If you have another device that uses the same carrier or operator, and then you can check if you have the signal on that other device. Or you can try to reach someone who also uses the same operator, who has the same carrier, and so on and so forth, and ask them if they have any issues whatsoever on their iPhones. And besides that, if that is really not the case, if everything should be fine but it's still not working, another thing that you can do is you can open the settings on your phone, then over here proceed to general. Next we're gonna scroll down and go to the transfer or reset iPhone, and then over here we're gonna go to reset, and you want to reset network settings over here in this place. Keep in mind that this also probably has an impact on the Wi-Fi, so for example your Wi-Fi networks might all of these Wi-Fi networks might be removed from your iPhone, so you will have to reconnect to them. And after resetting network settings, you might also want to check your cellular settings or mobile service settings, which are of course here in the main page of settings, and check if everything is set up properly and see if you actually do have a signal right now. And last but not least, although it is probably very unlikely and that it's going to happen, that this might be the case, I still think it's worth mentioning is that you might have some issues with your physical SIM card, if you have one of course. So you can try to remove it from your iPhone 17e and then see if it's not like broken or anything, although like I said it's very unlikely, or just make sure that it is inserted correctly. And if you have eSIM instead, then of course you want to make sure that your eSIM profile is actually still valid, that it is still working. Of course you can check if the line is enabled, and if you do have access to this profile to your phone number in general, because maybe it expired or something, so you might want to contact the operator or the service provider to ask them to find out what is going on, if there are some issues. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.